All right, here we go, ready to taxi. Looks like a militant, like a Huey. Watsonville traffic, Columbia 6512 Romeo, departing runway 20 will be straight out. We have the Cessna 557 in sight. We'll be watching for you, Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, Cherokee 9723, entering left downwind 20, Watsonville traffic.
Okay, one last check here. Everything looks good. Gotta make sure we don't run over this guy. All right, power up.
Watsonville traffic, Cherokee 9723 Juliet, entering left base.
All right, airspeed's alive, 50, 60, and rotate.
Watsonville traffic, Scenic canopies open 4,000 below, landing 1,000 feet west of 220, Watsonville.
Boy, that windscreen is terrible.
Watsonville traffic, Cessna 10557 on crosswind 20, Watsonville.
And Watsonville traffic, Columbia 6512 Romeo, just off of runway 20. We have the Cessna in sight. We'll be straight out to the shoreline and then turning west, Watsonville. All right, 500 feet, trimmed. Cessna's right there. Flaps coming up. There'll be a little dip. We'll keep this climb going. 900 feet, boost pumps off.
Watsonville traffic, Cessna 10557 entering downwind 20, Watsonville.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I'm sorry, 739 Delta Stairs, climbing through 1800, departing to the southeast. Good day.
All right, 25, 25.
Watsonville traffic, Sierra 320 Tango Sierra is taking 20 for a right turn out, Watsonville. Watsonville traffic, go down point 3 mile left 45, 20, Watsonville. Watsonville traffic, Cherokee 23 Juliet departing straight out, 20, Watsonville traffic.
All right, look for our house. Why don't you grab the camera on the front?
Traffic, go jump on 2 mile left 45, 20, Watsonville.
Try and photograph our house.
Watsonville traffic, Cherokee 23 Juliet, turning left crosswind, Watsonville traffic. Watsonville traffic, go jump on left downwind 20, beam highway 1, Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, Cessna 10557 turning base on 20, Watsonville.
to the high school.
Watsonville traffic, go down 1, transitioning to a left downwind 27, holding short at 20 at all times, Watsonville.
Better hold short.
Oh, I will.
Watsonville traffic, Columbia 6512 Romeo, beam the cement ship 2,000 feet, heading west, Watsonville, final call.
Watsonville traffic, go down 1, left base 27, Watsonville. Watsonville traffic, go down 1 mile, final 27, Watsonville.
Watsonville, Cessna 10557 on final 20 Watsonville.
If you want some air, don't forget it's right there. I can put it back up there. I think we got it. So let's turn this on and look for traffic. Remember that whole thing? All right, we got the throttle, we got the RPMs back to 2350. Now we're going to lean the engine. First peak's been detected. All the while we're scanning for traffic and looking at how awful dirty this window is. All right, best economy, normalize. No targets? Okay, well here we are.
Watsonville, Cessna 10557 on crosswind 20 Watsonville.
We're heading directly west along the shoreline. Our speed is 152 indicated, going to 154. I've got a little descent here going. I'm just still messing with my trim. Get level flight right about there. Keeping an eye out on the road. 159 true airspeed, 160. Ground speed is 158 knots. Add 15% to that. So 160, that's 160 plus 16 plus 8 is 24. So 160 plus 24 is 184 miles an hour. That's how you go from knots to miles per hour, add 15%. The easy way to do that is to add 10%.
Watsonville traffic, Cessna 10557.
5%, just cut 10% in half. Anyway, here's our engines. We've gone over this before. We've got manifold pressure, RPMs, percent power 65, oil pressure, and our usage of fuel in gallons per hour set now at 12. We've leaned out the engine and we've settled on about 13 gallons per hour, which is about right. Okay, so back to the flight. So we've got a guy coming here. He's way up there. It's well, he's 1,000 feet above us. So I'm going to stay low since he's on the shoreline. Actually, I'm going to go over.
Southbound Bay traffic, experimental tailwind 52 Tango Papa, 6 miles south to the north, Devil Side. We're going to enter on the 45 for right traffic 30, Southbound Bay.
Anyway, keep an eye on that guy for me, please.
Watsonville, Cessna 10557, turning base 20 Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, Cherokee 5940 Papa, turning at the River the Freeway, entering left 45 for 20. Descending the
Tell me if you see him. He should be right in here somewhere. There he is. See him? Okay. Just want to get that worked out. He was hard to see. Want to fly?
I'll leave you to that.
Watsonville traffic 40 Papa, turning left 820.
Okay, we're cool. Enjoy the scenery. I'll worry about the plane.
Half Moon Bay traffic, experimental 10 winds 52 Tango Papa, right base for 30, Half Moon Bay, full stop.
Watsonville traffic 40 Papa, turning left 204.
So we're at 2,200 feet. It sure looks like we're closer to the ground. And that is definitely sea level right there, by the way, guys.
Half Moon Bay traffic, experimental 10 winds 52 Tango Papa, final for 30.
See 122.8, there's like a bunch of airports that use that frequency.
Oh, so you get a bunch of random stuff.
So as you get higher, you'll get like Fresno and Madera and crazy stuff like that.
Watsonville traffic, RV 545, Romeo Victor is 5 miles to the northeast, descending through 2300. We'll be straight in runway 20 traffic for many Watsonville.
Okay, we're coming up on the famous lighthouse. It'll be off my left side here. And there you can see it.
Traffic, system 10557, turning crosswind 20 Watsonville.
I believe they are going to refurbish that. They just got a couple $1 million to do some, to refurbish it. I don't think they're going to make it. Well, maybe they will bring it back into service. I don't know, but they're going to try and get it opened and working again. So we'll just go up here and turn around and go back.
Okay.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming up with me. I appreciate it.
Sure.
Final 30, Half Moon Bay.
Well, I hope my new GoPro is doing a great job with these dirty windows and at least focusing here. That'll be interesting to see what the improvement is in terms of cockpit resolution on the actual gauges. I've got the brightness completely maxed out, which is normally the way I fly during the daytime.
Watsonville, system 10557, turning bay.
Half Moon Bay traffic, and then here Charlie Alpha. Jumping the numbers, right traffic, runway 30 downwind, Half Moon Bay.
You can see the Bay Area over the mountains. See Oakland right there?
Traffic, and then here Charlie
See the landing traffic going into San Francisco?
Final approaching the breakwater, runway 30, Half Moon Bay.
There's the big hotel, the Ritz, and now we're going to increase altitude and power, and we're looking for whales. We've got some small boats, no whales.
Half Moon Bay traffic, Skylane 211 Alpha November, right downwind 30, Half Moon Bay.
Anybody on there? Nope, just that. We're pretty good. We're going to be going down the shoreline here.
Half Moon Bay traffic, Skylane 211 Alpha November, turning right base 30, Half Moon Bay.
Okay, everything looks good here.
Half Moon Bay traffic cleared, active runway 30, Half Moon Bay traffic.
No traffic system.
Cessna, you got a stuck mic.
Traffic, Cessna, taxi, transient park at Kathmandu with traffic.
Okay.
Watsonville, Cessna 10557, turning crosswind 20 Watsonville. Watsonville, Cessna 10557 on downwind 20 Watsonville. Watsonville, Cessna 10557, turning base 20 Watsonville.
Moon reporting South Halfman Bay altitude, please.
Halfman Bay area traffic, look at the Watson Box itself, you land on LZ on the approach end, 30 just north, Halfman Bay.
Watsonville, Cessna 10557 on final 20 Watsonville.
Oh, got him. 2,000 feet below us. I don't know if you can see that, guys. But I sure love my ADS-B in with my iPad, so I can see these guys before they even get close. So he's 2,000 feet below us, obviously heading along the shoreline like us. So yeah, very cool.
Density altitude 1,300. Watsonville Municipal Airport, Watsonville, California. Estimated weather observation 2220. Wind 250 at 04. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 24 Celsius. Dew point -0.1 Celsius. Altimeter 2995.
All right, that's our 1 minute weather.
Halfman Bay traffic, Skylake 490, 0 Delta, depart runway 30, right downwind departure Halfman Bay.
So we're 23 miles from Watsonville. We'll be there in 8 minutes. We'll overshoot and set up for a landing, of course.
Watsonville, Cessna 10557, turning base left 20 Watsonville. There is a balloon going over the airport.
Party balloon, yay!
Yeah.
Shot at the beach and boardwalk. This is trying to hold the camera still.
Canopies up at 4,000 and below, landing 1,000 feet west of 220, Watsonville.
Yeah, this is going to be a stop go for 10557.
Over the field at about 2,700 feet from north to south. Watsonville traffic RB 435 to the Romeo taxi for the ramp 20 Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, Columbia 6512 run Romeo is 10 miles east.
Watsonville traffic, Dojo 1, left downwind 20, beam highway 1, Watsonville.
All right, airport's in sight. We're going to go over there, the river and the freeway. So I'm going to take the autopilot off.
Watsonville traffic, goes up 1, midfield, left downwind 20, Watsonville.
And we're going to start pulling.
Watsonville, Cessna 10557 on crosswind 20 Watsonville.
Got it.
Have a good flight, Gabe.
Thanks, guys. Sorry, I didn't see you on final there. I'll let you finish.
All right, thank you. Goes up 1, turning final 20, Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, RV 435 to the Romeo crossing 927 for 20 Watsonville.
30.
And ultralight, feel free to simultaneously use runway 20. We're rolling off at the end.
Copy, rolling.
Starting runway 20 with a west departure, Watsonville.
Anybody over there?
Watsonville, Diamond 37 November Alpha, departing runway 20, staying in the pattern, Watsonville.
All right. Start slowing down a little bit more. I see the traffic just took off. And Watsonville traffic, Columbia 6512 Romeo is left downwind. We will be number 2 and we have the traffic on final inside Watsonville. All right, first notch of flops. And Watsonville traffic, 6512 Romeo is going to extend our downwind for spacing, Watsonville. Okay, L5. Watsonville traffic, Columbia 6512 Romeo, left base 20, full stop Watsonville.
Watsonville, Diamond 37 November Alpha, left crosswind 20, Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, 6512 Romeo, turning final 20, full stop Watsonville.
Watsonville, Diamond 37 November Alpha, downwind runway 20, Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, light and gray Bonanza 0 Charlie Alpha 2100 over the boardwalk. We'll cross overhead at 2100 to enter left traffic for runway 20 Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, 6512 Romeo, short and final 20, full stop Watsonville.
Watsonville, Cessna 10557 on crosswind 20 Watsonville.
A little faster. Pull out here. Watsonville traffic, Columbia 6512 Romeo is clear of 20 at Echo. Taxiing to the fuel pumps, Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic should be 32 example, depart below 20.
Go seals are off.
Watsonville, Diamond 37 November Alpha,
They're on the right.
base 20 left.
You open your door if you like. All right, we use 11 and a half.